the 2024 Lok Sabha elections, Karnataka BJP President P.Y. Vijayendra held a meeting with senior party leaders today in Bengaluru at the State Office Jagannath Bhavan. Former Chief Ministers B.S. Yediyurappa and Baswaraj Bommai, senior leaders including K.S. Ishwarappa and Ashwath Narayan attended the meeting. BJP MP Sadanand Gowda said that the leaders discussed the steps to stay united ahead of the elections and win all 28 seats in Karnataka. He said that they will soon be announcing the names of MLCs. The announcement is expected in a week after the approval from Delhi. He added that a new era of BJP has started in Karnataka under Vijayendra. The BJP is all set for the elections and geared up for a tough fight against the Congress government in Karnataka.
A wonderful meeting was held by our new president, our leader Vijayendra, after assuming the party office. About 50 senior leaders have been called today across the state, and we have discussed in detail what all steps we need to take to have a united show in the Lok Sabha elections and secure all the 28 seats out of 28 in Karnataka. At the same time, we have decided to go en masse against the activities of the Congress in the state of Karnataka, headed by Siddaramaiah and D.K. Shivakumar. The third one we planned is we should win the MLC elections. We are going to announce the names of our MLCs under the leadership of Mr. Vijayendra within a week after getting consent from the senior leaders there at Delhi. So totally a new era started in Karnataka as far as BJP is concerned. He is taking everybody into confidence and he is planning in such a way that BJP should come back to power in the next all elections across the state.